Hi. Fast-growing prefabrication in AEC market is challenging the BIM models. They are getting bigger, they are getting more accurate. In Vertex we are now ready for that. 2021 we are even one step ahead in this race. 2021 brings a lot of new things for us. You get your work done faster, you enjoy the new, more user-friendly, more easier to use tools. In March, most of us moved working remotely. At Vertex we tried to help you quickly. We launched new courses, new trainings, new documentation online as quickly we could. Now you can rent, you can buy, you can lease, you can subscribe our license and try it for free. Many of you find this offering and I really hope that helped you even a little bit. We are committed to continue hearing you and we are trying to help you as our best we can for the future challenges. I'm also proud all the investments we made to help simplify the technology and workflows. They will help you to do your job fast and avoid mistakes. We committed to find more simple and more efficient ways to cope you with the increasingly challenging everyday life more easily. We are global and close partner for BIM solutions. Every day 20,000 users in various industries are working together with Vertex to make their design and manufacturing process fast and error-free. Our 43-year history and success is based on strong knowledge of our industries, innovative cooperation and the top expertise of our staff. In our experience, two things are needed: well-functioning products and easily accessible multi-channel customer support. Together with our local support teams and service teams, we make sure that we truly understand your needs and we are committed to find the best possible solution for you. The size of the BIM models are growing. For version 2021, we completely renewed our 3D renderer of Vertex. Now you can really see it and you can really feel it. It's 10 times faster to rotate and zoom the model. Big models opens 2 times faster and transition between architect and framing model it's 9 times or 50 times faster than earlier versions. New 3D graphic engine will also bring a lot of benefits to the laptop users. The devices we tested, rotation and zooming of 3D model is now average 9 times faster. The biggest benefits comes how Vertex new graphic engine is now built. Our new graphics engine uses all the features of the graphic card, also the ones for the gaming. The switch from OpenGL technology to DirectX technology also takes the reliability to the whole new level. As a user, you also get more freedom to choice. Vertex products are ready for and services are ready for 2021 for changing work life. Let's face the future together and let's work closely together. Thank you.